Right, Crazy Chef. In the UK we're now on our week 6 of lockdown, and I'm going to do another immunity booster, and this one is the first time I've ever done a vegan stroke vegetarian menu. This is going to be miso, mushrooms and coconut milk. Now there's certain things you can do to make it either veggie or vegan. I'll tell you as I go along. So we're using egg noodles for the vegetarian option, but if you want to do that with the vegan option, I suggest you get some spaghetti, dry spaghetti, break it up and sort of cook it as if you cook noodles. I'm using butter, a little bit of butter, because I haven't got any peanut butter, but if you're a vegan you should use peanut butter, and if I had peanut butter as part of it, I would use peanut butter. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. I'll go to the hob in a minute, but first of all, if you like our videos, please actually subscribe to our channel, because we really want to get our subscription base up to at least 1,000. I'm doing more and more bits and pieces during the lockdown, and on our website www.crazychef-uk.com crazy-chef.uk, you'll actually see all the recipes and all the extra notes and nutritional values and all the other stuff that might amuse you. Anyway, so do enjoy, do comment below, and please subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to the hob shortly. On the hob, I'm going to start by putting some dry egg noodles into some hot water to soften them. Now if I'd had real egg noodles, live egg noodles, I just put it in the dish afterwards without putting it here. Sometimes I also break the noodles up and just put it on the dish, but this time I'm just going to put it in the pan. Let's do, it's made it easier for me. Right, and I'll let that warm up. Right, so we're going to use sliced mushrooms, and I've sliced about 250 grams of mushrooms. I'll just taste it, see it's alright. 250 grams of white mushrooms. You can use what you like, whatever you fancy. I'm now going to heat an ordinary pan. It's not non-stick, it's an ordinary pan. Let's get that hot. I'm going to saute the mushrooms, then I'm going to add some sesame seed oil. Then I'm going to add some coconut milk, butter, lime juice, chilli, flakes because I like a bit of heat. You can use cayenne pepper, some miso, and then I'm going to add the noodles. So it's either vegetarian or vegan depending what options you use. I'll go through the options as I do it. Okay, so this one up. Okay, I'm just using just a tad of groundnut oil. Groundnut oil is also called peanut oil, so if you're allergic, be careful. As it's refined, it shouldn't have any effect, but you know, if you are allergic to peanuts, take advice before you do this. Or use sunflower seed. You use sunflower oil, but I prefer groundnut oil because it's got a temperature of about, it boils, or it's got a temperature about 470 Fahrenheit before it starts boiling, so it starts spoiling, so it's far safer, less carcinogenic than the other stuff. Right, don't use olive oil. Right, now we put these in. This, I'm tasting it again. Crazy Chef, throw it away. Right. It will generate some moisture anyway, so I'm just going to let it warm up, as I only just put the heat on. It's a ceramic hob, so it takes a while. I will do that for about a couple of minutes just to soften it. I'm now going to I've got a spare leek. It's not part of me, I've got a spare leek. So I'm just going to put a spare leek in because I've doing it. Right, it's warming up nice now. So This is very sweet. I'm going to put some sesame oil in, or sesame seed oil in. Just a bit of a drizzle. The old noodles are getting ready. The old noodles are done. I'll just put them on low. Just going to, the old sesame seed, I'm just going to let it sort of cook under its own heat, own steam for about just a couple of minutes. Right, it's the old noodles. Noodles are nice and soft. So I'm just going to turn the heat off the noodles, and they'll remain in the hot water. Right, this will take a few minutes. I'll let that soften a bit more, then I'll come back. This is bubbling away nicely. I'm just going to check them up. It's nice and soft. And now I'm going to put half a can of coconut milk in. This looks like it's a bit well, it's mixing up, I guess. It's a bit hard. I don't know why that's like that. It's usually quite runny. Right, not happy with that, but there we are, never mind. So there we are. Turn the heat up a bit. The old coconut milk in. Right, ground black pepper. Bit of sea salt. Let that cook for a bit. Right, now I'm going to put some butter in, but you should use peanut butter really, but I haven't got any, so peanut butter will make it a lot creamier. Squeeze half a lime, juice from half a lime. Squirts all over the place, but never mind. I would recommend peanut butter, but I just don't have any, so do the recipe again with peanut butter. I think the coconut, we only do one shot here when we do stuff. The coconut milk was a bit too watery. Anyway, now I'm going to add some chilli flakes. You could use cayenne pepper if you like. I'm using, always do it in your hand so you don't put too much in. Chilli flakes, get it a bit of hint in it. Could have done with a few more mushrooms, but never mind. Now I'm going to add a large teaspoonful of miso paste. If you look at the website, it'll give you all the nourishment factors and all the contents of these individual things that I use. Goes well with crusty bread. Just check this. Always taste your food. Well, that's okay. Quite sweet actually. I've strained the noodles. As I say, use spaghetti if you're a vegan. Now I'm going to just put that in there. That'll soak up all the juice. This is good topped off with some sliced spring onions, but I haven't got any spring onions either. Right, there we have it. So, miso mushroom noodles with coconut. I'll stick it all in. As I say, we don't do pretty cooking, we do tasty cooking. Look at that. Excellent.